This should be pretty straightforward, so let me read it to you. Using the proper order of strokes, and that's what you'll find here. So you want to take this sheet, put it next to you so you can look at this sheet while you're working. So you're going to start out practicing each letter. Now keep in mind, just like with this portion of this sheet, you've got a line to do lettering on, a blank space, a line to do lettering on, a blank space. So same thing here. You're only going to be working I's all the way across here, T's all the way across here, F's all the way across here, all the way down to you get to your 5's all the way across here. Using the proper order of strokes and the lettering rules previously mentioned, practice lettering each letter neatly until they appear uniform. This is key. Remember, the area between the letters should appear to be equal, just like this. Just like this. So you're going to practice each of the letters all the way to then equally spaced. Now, here's something that I would see people doing when they've done this project before. This is not what you're doing. Now, V, let's look at V really quick. 1, 2, pretty straightforward. So your letters need to be equally spaced. And when I saw people doing this project in the past, they start like kind of doing like this. That's not what you're here to do, okay? You're here to keep them equally spaced because you want to practice your letter spacing. Okay? According to the American National Standards Institute requirements for single stroke uppercase Gothic letters, your spacing should be equal, carefully done all the way across. Is this project tedious? Yes. In the last video, though, I explained why it's important, and you do need to be careful with this because the more you practice this, the better your handwriting gets, and frankly, the better that's going to look for your employers. Now, I get it. You might not be planning on going into a career of engineering. That's fine. But for our class, because this is a class on drafting and engineering, this is what we're learning. So, this project, this completed sheet, keep in mind, is going to be worth 20 points. That is like 4 of the smaller assignments. And I'm giving you 20 points for doing it because this sheet takes a long time. But with your care and your precision, you're going to do all the letters and numbers. Then you're going to copy A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the whole alphabet all the way across, down here. And all the numbers all the way down. And then this is really important, fractions. Your fractions need to happen all the way across. And then you're going to drop down a line and do it again, okay? You're going to do 1 space, fractions all the way across. You're going to copy 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, 7/8, 5/16, just like this. Notice how there are approximately 3 per section. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to do 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, 7/8, 5/16, 1/2, okay? And on these 2 lines down here as well, with a blank space in between. Do not forget to letter your name, date, and class period on the bottom. Folks, I gotta go. I worked way too long today. You don't have to kill yourself and do this all at once. You can break this up into parts. You can do like just this set of letters today, just this set of letters tomorrow, maybe do the alphabet and the numbers on Saturday and finish with the fractions on Sunday. This isn't due until Sunday night, but it is required and it is a big part of your grade because it is important. All right, any questions? You know how to get a hold of me. Tomorrow I'll check in with you at the end of the day to remind. Friday, I'll have a new assignment for you, but on Friday I will also go over this project with you again. All right, folks, have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you on Friday for our Zoom meeting at the beginning of class. Talk to you soon.